This is called a total station. It's a serving instrument for measuring angles horizontally and vertically. You'll notice, like the level, it has level screws. There's 3 of them, just like the level. Okay, has a telescope inside here. It also has a distance measuring device, a laser distance measuring device built in. Like the level, it has an eye adjustment. It also has the focus here. Instead of the rifle sight, it has a tube that if you look through it just right, standing back here, you'll see a triangle. You use that to point at the target. Then you look through here. There are fine adjustments, and the fine adjustments, the horizontal is here. It has a clamp screw. When I clamp it, I can't turn it this way. When you set the clamps, do them very gently. You don't have to crank on them. Do not crank on them, because they're actually plastic threads. And if one of those gets stripped, it's about a $500 trip to the repair shop. Once you clamp it, this will fine tune it left and right. This clamp is for, if I loosen it, I can go like this. Once I clamp it, I can't do that. And then I can fine tune it up and down with this fine tuning knob. Same deal with not over tightening those. This has a level vial for getting level. Later on we'll talk about how you use that, but you have to get this level just like we had to get we had to do with the level. I'll loosen these clamp screws. Let's see. These are electronic. There's a battery right here. This is the display. You have displays on both sides. This is very much like the instruments you will be using. Not exactly the same. It's a different brand, but they're all very similar. One big thing when putting these away, okay, you make sure the clamp screws are not tightened. These go into a form-fitting case, and you don't want to induce any stress trying to fit it into that form. You leave them loose and it can just fit right in. The same deal with 2 points of support all the time. Okay. You bring the level screws back to the horizontal line. If I can see it on here. And it should fit right snugly into the case. If it does not fit snugly in the case, find out why. One last thing that the level didn't have, this is something called an optical plummet. And when we look through here, there's a right angle mirror that looks down through the hole in the bottom down to the ground, so we can tell that we're over the point that we want to be set up over. With the level, we don't have to worry about being set up over a point. With the total station, we do. So anyway, that's all there is to that. Again, when you put it away, clamp screws loose. Okay, level screws back to the horizontal line. Put it in the case and make sure it closes easily.